Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to connect domain to Shopify. So just let's start. So for connecting domain to Shopify, you guys have to open up your Shopify, and after opening up your Shopify, you guys have to go into this setting option at the left. Just click on it, and then there will be this type of interface. You guys have to locate for domains section, just like here is domain section. Just click on it, and after clicking on domains, you guys have to click on connect existing domain, and from here you guys have to write up your domain that you want to connect. Just write up your domain, and after writing up your domain, you guys have to click up on next, and after clicking on next, there will be a kind of done option. Just click on done, and after clicking on done, your Shopify domain will be connected, and that's how you guys can easily connect domain to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.